Now back to the admin panel. From here we can customize theme, widgets, menu, Astra options and theme file. So I will click on that customize. More options are available in Astra Pro. This is the free version of the Astra. From here, if we click on that pen icon, we will be able to change any of these widgets. So back here, click on global. So from here you can select the font. Also the size of that font. Also we can select the weight and text transformation of line height, paragraph margin bottom, heading font family, weight and text transformation, line height, font family for header tags. These are some features we can select for typography. After that we have a color. We can select any color theme, and these are the default color of that Astra theme. We can change it. Simply click on that. We can set the container layout. From button option we can select various design of button, like of that rounded corner button. Also select the text color for button and background color for the buttons, border width of the buttons, border color of the buttons, border radius of the buttons, button fonts and padding of the buttons. The next option in the customization is of that header builder. So let's click on that icon. Here we can select title and logo of the site. So I will click on that. From here we can select the logo and we can upload it from PC. I will upload and click on select. I will select this logo and crop it, and the logo will appear here. After that we can set the design. We can set the logo width. We can set the title of our website. So I will change it to CodePy, and the changes will reveal here. From here you can see which that inline title and logo. We can display site tagline. We can change it to any text. Learn web development with CodePy. After that we can select site icon, which will show here, but for me it was showing an error. So simply select here and click on that crop image, but for me it's showing some error. I'll fix it later. The next option is the breadcrumb. We can set it to none, inside, after or before title. So these are the breadcrumb. We can change the breadcrumb character. And from here we can select various things for that breadcrumb. The next is of that blog. From blog we can set the blog format. Like we can set the content width, default or custom width, feature image, title of the blog, comments, category, author, publish date and other various things. So if I hide that feature image, it will hide the feature image from here. Now if I hide the title and blog meta, it will hide it. We can hide comment, category and author. I will hide the comment, category and author. From here we can set full content or excerpt. After making all the changes, we can click on that publish button to publish these changes. Also we can enable that related post, and we can set the alignment of the title, total number of related posts. After that we have a sidebar option. These are the widgets which are in the sidebar of the site. We can set the sidebar to left or right or no sidebar. If I set the no sidebar, it will show the full width of that post. Now I can change it to the left or the right, but I will use the right sidebar. These are some settings for the blog. You can check it from there. Then we have a footer builder. From here we can change that copyright text. Here we can provide the site title, and it will be shown here. Then we can select the performance. We can switch it load Google font locally, but I will disable it.